have finished this here. I like what they've done. The deck is back up, which is awesome. Like this little flow of rockery here, very nice. So down there, they did add sand. But for me, I have to get used to it, I see. So it looks quite open. So I like the fact that we have sand. Yeah, so down here, feels really nice walking on it. They added some mulch here. I'm not sure why, because the deck's going to be there as well as there. The deck's going back. This will be part of our garden here. So it's busy on the bay today. I really like this thing here. They put this in to access the beach down there. So I'm not sure about this. So this all has to get cleaned up. There's some nice rocks there that I'll outline between the garden and the soil and the sand.
See the trees grow, they were here long before. They're keeping our stories, and when
so the water isn't on, and I can't figure out why. They did turn the hydro off. So the line comes this way, over here. So I'm assuming it goes this way. Over to here. So I'm wondering whether there was some damage to the hose over here because the sand in that area is quite dense. So they left the bin for us to drop things into, but I'm not sure that Joe and Elizabeth are coming up because there's no water. So yeah. So I kind of like the beach area there, like the sandy part. I would have to line this area here all the way through to over there with, oh my goodness, with rocks, because otherwise these wood chips are just gonna overtake the sand and vice versa. Well, this is how it's looking. Love how it opens up the lake. So maybe we're just going to put a deck over here. I love that it's that open. But then again, I'm not sure I want it that open. Because it doesn't give us as much privacy as I would like. Have to clean up all of these geraniums. I guess there must have been quite a bit of rainfall. Really quite open and nice. I like that open list there. Such a nice view. I'm not sure that's what I wanted. I'm just getting used to it.
Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all.
We're really loving the new work that the guys did. We already have little munchkins out in the water. We've got 2 more of these red chairs to go on that side over there. And we're going to bring out the blue vase to put here. I'll set it up today. It's a gorgeous day. It's Canada Day today. Happy birthday, Canada.
Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all.
First time out on the water.
Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. See the trees grow, they were here long before. They're keeping our stories, and when we're older, they will still stand tall. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. See how it sways in the sun.
Carter, do you want me to make it longer?
In its
No, Eva, you have to stay a little closer, babe.
lies the truth of us.
Is the water warm?
Stories of joy and of sorrow, dying to
How come Carter doesn't have his little flag? You can do it.
We're coming this way.
send me your songs of tomorrow, dying to know stories of joy and of sorrow.
Eva, practice your paddling. One side and then the other side.
Turn around. You're the fence. Yeah, gotta be careful with the paddling and stuff.
Dying to know it all, to know it all. See the ocean, how it sways in the sun.